welcome back to our next session. So in this session we are going to learn about some grammar things. So the grammar of very first like A1 level very first topic is personal pronouns and verbs in present tense. So this is going to help you to learn the personal pronouns which you can use and frame the sentence. So let's see first of all why this personal pronoun is important and what are these. So like we have in English I, you, he, she, it, same way we have in German also. So those sentences, these words are going to help you in the sentence, like when you are speaking any line. For example, I am a Kanja or I am Maria. So every time we need one subject. So subjects which are going to learn in this one is I, you, he, she, it, and so on. So let's see what are these pronouns. These are some of the examples given to you in English, like Anna bought a new car last week. Now one way, in one sentence, one part, we are already using the word Anna. So we cannot repeat it in the another sentence. That's why we are using this pronoun, which is she absolutely loves it. So that is the importance of your pronouns, which will help you to remove the repetition of the same noun again and again. Now, as per German grammar, we have singular and plural nouns. Also, they are changing according to the gender. So like that we will see further later on. But as of now, first person I, second person you, third person he or she. Then plural we or you all. Now, German has more personal pronouns. Apart from this I, you, he, she, it, these are the basic. We have more personal pronouns, but those you are going to learn in your further classes. It has 4 different types. Here I am just going to explain you one thing, that when we talk about du, this is a German word you for informal. So in German we have you informal and you formal also. You formal. Okay. It has one pronoun that has 3 different meanings. That can also happen. 3 different types of it. So that we will see. First of all, these are the German personal pronouns like ich as I, du you, er he, sie she, es it, wir we, ihr you all, sie you as formal and sie you as they. So now as we said 3z, one is you formal with small sie means she, and again small sie, that means they. This can be justified only as per your sentence. For example, sie sind Maria. So you are Maria. Also, sie ist Maria. So she is Maria. So as per the verb changes, your personal pronouns give the meaning. What are the verbs we have? Regular, irregular, helping, modal and trennbare. But in this we are just going to talk about the regular and irregular verbs. Here we have some of the regular verbs: arbeiten, bleiben, sein, liegen, wohnen, leben, sitzen, stehen. Gehen, besuchen, kommen, lachen, leken and heißen. These are the regular verbs, because when we do the conjugation, this do the proper conjugation as ich take e at the end, du takes st, the s takes t at the end. This you are going to understand what all these I am talking about in our further videos. For now, just for an example, any verb, for example gehen, whenever we do the conjugation, means the verb change according to the subject. So we just remove this en and do these endings: gehe, du, gehst, es, geht. So basically all those verbs which take these endings becomes your regular verb, and irregular verb which change completely in a different form. For example, laufen, sehen, geben, fahren, schlafen, helfen, fallen, lesen. Now why these are irregular? Because when we do the conjugation, for example, let's say for sehen, to see, that takes ich as sehe but du as siehst. So you can see that I is changing to IE. So when their base changes, then the verb called as irregular verbs. Helping verb, here we have sein and haben. So ich bin, du bist, sie es ist, wir sehen sie sind, ihr seid. Haben, ich habe, du hast, sie es hat, wir sehen sie haben, ihr habt. Here you will understand the verb conjugation part. Let's see. These are the endings which I was talking about. Ich takes e, du st, sie st, wir sehen sie ihen, and ihr t. Taking the verb as gehen, we will just take the base of it. We will remove this en and we are just taking base. So when we are taking the base of these, we will see how the conjugation goes on. Ich gehe, du gehst, st at the end, sie es geht, wir sehen sie gehen, ihr geht. So every time you can see that base will remain same. This will not change, and so on for all the verbs. When we talk about irregular verb conjugation, the verb completely changing. The base is not the same. Ich fahre, that is according to fahren, but du onwards it changing. Fährst, sie es fährt, wir sehen sie fahren. Spreche, du sprichst, sie es spricht. Ich sehe, du siehst, sie es sieht, and so on. That's it we have in this grammar part. We have done the verbs, verb conjugation, personal pronoun. So I hope you understood it, and let's see in the next session.